What's up, my friends? Welcome back. Today I have a very special announcement for you guys. Finally, my new website is finished and we are ready to use it and help the community, so you can check the links below, make an account and start posting tutorials and projects and anything that you want. And I've been working for this website for like 6 months together with 2 more guys. And in this video I'll explain you what is this new website, how to use it, how it will help you to maybe get a job and show your work to others, how you can follow others, post tutorials, post projects and anything that you want. So stay tuned for that, and also you can check the link below of this video and make an account and start posting tutorials. Anyway guys, I've made this website with 2 more guys, so I really want to thank those because they are very good, they are very professional, and without them I couldn't make this website. If you will go to electronoobs.io, you'll see that it has a lot of PHP scripts, a lot of functions, and I'm not really good with those functions. So I've made the graphic part and they help me with the functions and with the PHP script. So yes, if you want to make a website, please check their information below. They are very professional, they work with very good prices, and this is not a paid ad. As a client, I'm very happy to have found them because it is very difficult to find a very good developer for a full custom-made website. When I searched guys to help me with this website, I found a lot of developers. Then they work with WordPress. And with WordPress you can make a full custom website, you can work with blogs and stuff like that, but I really wanted a full JavaScript based website like this one, like Electronoobs.io, and they really helped me. They are very good with what they do, they are very professional, and yes, you can find the links below for their contact if you want to make another website and use their services. Anyway, let's get with the video. In this video I'll explain you how you can use this website, how to post tutorials, how to post the projects, how to make your account and edit your profile, and then I'll explain how this website can help you, because with this website other people can see your work, can see your job, maybe offer you another job. You can get in contact with other creators because you have the message button and you can send message one to another, and I really hope that it will help the electronics community. You can post any project that you want. It doesn't have to be related with electronics. For example, if you made maybe like a wooden desk and something like that, any DIY project could be posted on this website. So any work related with wood, maybe with concrete, electronics, with lighting and stuff like that, you can post tutorials and share those with your friends. So let's see how this new website works, and how to use it, how to post tutorials, and what new things it will have. But wait guys, before we start with the video, I have to say that I will make another giveaway for this soldering iron, and all you have to do to enter the giveaway is to make an account to electronoobs.io, you have the link below, and also to edit your profile, to edit your name and your profile picture. So just 3 things: make an account, edit your name, and add a profile picture, and then you will enter automatically the giveaway. So check the link below for the giveaway and make that account. So yes, you can win this soldering station. Okay, that's it. Let's see how this website works. So let's get started. Okay guys, so you go to electronoobs.io. You'll see that you are able to enter the website even if you don't have an account. But please consider making an account in order to help the community, be able to comment and like the post, add projects to favorites, and other cool stuff. For that you have to click register, add your email and password, confirm your email, and then edit your profile, and you can start posting tutorials. This webpage is a combination between a social network format and a tutorial website format. It's like having a Facebook for creators, and this will evolve into something better. You will be able to post tutorials and projects. The difference is that projects are shorter, just a description about what you have made. If the project is in progress or not, you can add an external website link for more information and add a few pictures. In the other case, the tutorial has no limits. You can add as many steps as you want and explain step by step how you create that project. You can upload photos, add videos, you can add downloadable files such as codes and 3D parts, explain each step, you can add desired text, external links, and more. The top projects and top tutorials block for each week will appear on the right sidebar, and you will have the opportunity to be seen by other creators and even to find a job thanks to your work. People could see your profile, enter your projects, comment and give you feedback, or even send you a message and get in contact with you, maybe for a job offer. You can also add from where you are from and what is your job title, and a little bit about yourself. So posting your work on Electronoobs can get you a better job, or maybe find you new clients, or maybe just create your own community of creators and help one to each other. So that's the main goal of the popular tutorials and popular projects block. Even if you don't know the creator or you live in a different country, with these two blocks you have the opportunity to be seen by other creators, and then people could follow you. Okay, so next we have the explore block. Imagine you don't know any other creator or nobody knows your profile. You could go to the explore tab here. In a random way, other creators will appear. So each time that you refresh your page, other creators will appear and you could see the amount of projects they have and also to follow them. So don't worry if people don't know your profile yet. With this tool you have the opportunity to be known. All you have to do is to post good content. When you scroll down on the main wall, you will find the explore block once again with different creators. Or if you go to the explore page, you will see a lot of more creators each time that you refresh the page. Okay guys, so you can post tutorials, which will look like this on the main wall. Then you can post projects, which will look like this. Or just post a text comment and tell us what you're working on, and if you get a lot of likes, maybe you should start that project. Each post that you make will have some tags, so it will be easier to find. If you click any of that tags, you'll go to the tags page and see other related content. Also, the website has a search bar and you could search for creators, or maybe directly for projects or tutorials. Just add the name of the creator and click search. Or just write Arduino for example and click search and you will get all the projects related with Arduino. Now if you go to any profile, you can see that profile wall or just click these two buttons. The first button is to see who is following that creator. The second button on the profile is to see the post of that creator, both the projects and tutorials. So now guys, let's see a project post example. In the header of the project, you can see the project thumbnail picture, and on top of that you can see the creator who posted that project, and using this button you can follow them. Then we have the title and some more buttons. You can like the project if you want, share it on Facebook, and if you are the one who made that post, you can click the edit button if something is wrong. Okay, so then we have a description of the project and an external link. Then we have the photo gallery, where you could place 4 photos or YouTube videos, and another description. On the bottom of the page, you could see more projects or see more projects from that same creator. Now let's see a tutorial example. This is almost the same format as the project, but in this case we have a lot of more steps. So each step could have some photos, some texts, videos, codes, external links or downloadable files. So you could create the introduction, add your schematic, the part list, you could explain each step and maybe share your results with 3D objects, the plans, codes, circuits and more. So as you can see, on each step we can have downloadable files. So you could place all the other creators will need in a zip file and share it here. You could also share the code in a code format. So for example, this is a small bit of an Arduino code. This should help creators understand better. One more thing, if you find a project or tutorial that is not following our policy, you could report that post and we will take a look at it. At the bottom of the projects or tutorials, we could post comments or reply to other comments. So feel free to make an account and start using the website. In the main menu we have the Our Creators tab, and here we can see all the creators that we follow. Next we have the Explore page, which I already explained, and the Message tab. So here you can send or receive messages from other creators. Finally, in More, you can see your profile, edit your account or profile, send us feedback or see the About page. Okay, so now let's see how to use the electronoobs.io. So go to the link, and on the main page you have to click Login. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up. Enter a username, your email and a password, and click Register. You will receive a confirmation mail. Make sure you look in the spam inbox as well. In this mail you have to click the confirmation link and now you could use the website and post projects. But first you have to edit a little bit your profile. If you go to your profile, you can see that you have an automatic name and picture. For that you have to go to More and select Edit Profile. You can upload a photo here, give your first and last name and enter your description. Then on the bottom, in case that we'll make some future giveaways, you can also add your address. Feel free to read our privacy policy and by that learn more about the data. Okay, so now you have a working profile, but you don't follow any creators and you have no posts. So you could search for any creator that you know and then click follow. And now on the main wall, the post from that creator will now appear. You could also go to the Explore tab and follow other creators. More posts will now appear on the main wall. But you still have no posts. So first let's try the status post and write something on the wall, and by that let us know that you are using your account. So now let's see how to post a project. For that, make sure that you read the policy about posting so you won't post sexual content, spam, ads and so on. So first give a name to your project. Now write a good description. The more details the better. Then you must select a thumbnail. That will be the picture that will appear on the wall. Now you could add some tags related to your project. Now select if the project is finished, in progress, a new version or just a prototype. You can also add an external link. Now we start with the photo gallery. Now here you could add another description for the photos. You could select add photo or a video from YouTube. If you select a photo, you could upload one from your computer and give it a name. But if you select post a video, you have to enter the link of that video from YouTube. You have a maximum of 4 photos or videos. So click post project and now your post will appear on your wall and also on the main wall of the creators that are following you. You could edit the post anytime that you want. Okay, now let's select post tutorial. So this will be a little bit longer. Add the tutorial title and description. Once again, you have to select the thumbnail, the external website and the text just as before. But now you have to click Add First Step button. For each step you could add a new title and a description. You can use the editor to create bold format, a list, change the colors and so on. For each step you are able to post 4 photos or videos. Then you are able to upload 2 downloadable files. These files must be in a zip format. You can add Arduino codes, 3D files, PDF plans and so on. And finally at the bottom you can add some bits of code. But don't add the full code here. Use this block just to explain parts of the code. If you want to upload the full code, just use the downloadable files. Now click Save Step and the first step will be now saved. Now you'll have a list with all the steps and you could edit each one. When you have all the steps, you can select Post Tutorial, and now the post will be visible. If you can't finish the tutorial today, don't worry, it will appear only to you on the main wall marked as a draft. Till you don't post the tutorial, it won't be visible for other creators. So now you have the tutorial posted, and you can see each step one by one, each with some photos, videos, downloadable files or codes. You can also place comments or replies at the end of the tutorial. So for now, these are the main parts of my webpage. Or should I say our webpage, because I hope this will help the entire community. You can post any tutorial that you want, and also stay tuned for other improvements, maybe some giveaway tabs, contests, more sharing options and so on. Remember to create a profile and enter the giveaway. So thanks again and see you later guys.